Question number 1. When was written constitution adopted in India? A. 26th November 1949. B. 15th August 1947. C. 26th January 1950. D. 1st January 1948. Correct answer is A. 26 November 1949. Question number 2. Who conducts the program of the Lok Sabha in the absence of the Speaker and the Deputy Speaker? A. Chairman. B. Vice Chairman. C. Panel Speaker. D. Vice Speaker. Correct answer is C. Panel Speaker. Question number 3. What does not qualify for the presidency? A. Indian citizenship. B. 35 years is less but age. C. To be eligible to be elected as a member of the Lok Sabha. D. Being a member of any legislature. Correct answer is D. Being a member of any legislature. Question number 4. Who among the following had the shortest tenure as president? A. Shankar Dayal Sharma. B. Sarvepalli Radhakrishna. C. Zakir Hussain. D. Rajendra Prasad. Correct answer is C. Zakir Hussain. Question number 5. Who among the following is the youngest Prime Minister? A. Morarji Desai. B. Charan Singh. C. Indira Gandhi. D. Rajiv Gandhi. Correct answer is D. Rajiv Gandhi. Question number 6. Who among the following has been the longest serving Prime Minister of 17 years? A. Lal Bahadur Shastri. B. Morarji Desai. C. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. D. Indira Gandhi. Correct answer is D. Indira Gandhi. Question number 7. In which schedule is the provision against party allocations? A. 10th schedule. B. 11th schedule. C. 9th schedule. D. 8th schedule. Correct answer is A. 10th schedule. Question number 8. Which passage in the Constitution of India refers to the Six Principles scheme? A. 370. B. 371. C. 371-D. D. 371-C. Correct answer is C. 371-D. Question number 9. On what basis are the elections to the Lok Sabha and the state legislatures held in India? A. Supermajority method. B. Method of proportional representation. C. List method. D. Hare method. Correct answer is A. Supermajority method. Question number 10. In which year did India declare itself a republican constitution? A. 1942. B. 1945. C. 1950. D. 1940. Correct answer is circa 1950. Question number 11. Precedence rule can be imposed in the states by following which article of the Constitution of India? A. Article 352. B. Article 354. C. Article 356. D. Article 36. Correct answer is C. Article 356. Question number 12. Who appoints the Chief Justice? A. President of India. B. Prime Minister of India. C. Election Commission of India. D. Supreme Court of India. Correct answer is A. President of India. Question number 13. In which of the following Indian states is the Portuguese civil code still in force? A. Delhi. B. Tripura. C. Goa. D. Kerala. Correct answer is C. Goa. Question number 14. A motion to remove the Vice President of India should be introduced in which of the following? A. Only in Lok Sabha. B. Only in Rajya Sabha. C. In any House of Parliament. D. In a joint session of Parliament. Correct answer is B. Only in Rajya Sabha. Question number 15. All the actions of the executive body of the state government are carried out in the name of whose orders? A. President. B. Governor. C. Chief Minister. D. Speaker. Correct answer is B. Governor. Question number 16. What is the time to finish playing the Indian national anthem? A. 56 seconds. B. 53 seconds. C. 52 seconds. D. 58 seconds. Correct answer is C. 52 seconds. Question number 17. Which of the following commissions suggested that the centre must consult the concerned state government before appointing a governor to a state? A. Madnamohan Punchi Commission. B. Sarkaria Commission. C. First Administrative Reforms Commission. D. Venkatachalaya Commission. Correct answer is B. Sarkaria Commission. Question number 18. Supreme Court for the first time in which of the following cases? What is the power of judicial review? A. Sajjan Singh vs. Government of Rajasthan. B. Golkanath vs. Government of India. C. The case of nationalization of banks. D. Shankari Prasad vs. Government of India. Correct answer is B. Golkanath vs. Government of India. Question number 19. Which of the following can be amended by Parliament by simple majority? A. Abolition of Legislative Council. B. Election of the President. C. Extent of Central Executive System. D. Fundamental rights. Correct answer is A. Abolition of Legislative Council. Question number 20. Which constitutional amendment should not reduce the total number of members in the Central Council of Ministers to 15% of the total seats in the Lok Sabha? A. 86th Constitutional Amendment. B. 91st Constitutional Amendment. C. 78th Constitutional Amendment. D. 67th Constitutional Amendment. Correct answer is B. 91st Constitutional Amendment.